Hi friends, today we'll discuss few more banking exam questions with answers and explanation. Which is the example for microfinance loans, SHG, JLG loans, self-help group loans, joint liability group loans. Where is the Asian Infrastructure Investment Bank located? Beijing. Where is World Bank located? Washington, DC. What is the full form of INX, International Exchange Limited, located in Gujarat, owned by Bombay Stock Exchange? In which portal priority sector lending certificates can be traded? eKuber portal. Who is the chairman of National Housing Board? R.V. Verma. What is the full form of NSFR? Net stable funding ratio will require banks to maintain a stable funding profile in relation to the composition of their assets and off-balance sheet activities. Which bank fully acquired Swadhar Investment Private Limited, Ratnakar Bank Limited? It is RBL. RBI has released a coin of 350 denomination on the occasion of which Guru's 350th birth anniversary, Sri Guru Gobind Singh Ji. What is the minimum rate has to maintain by RRBs towards capital to risk weighted assets ratio? It is 9%. What is the motif of rupees 50 banknote Humpy with chariot? Which organization developed Bharat QR Code? National Payments Corporation of India. Bharat QR is the world's first interoperable quick response code acceptance solution developed by the payment industry to expedite India's transaction to a less cash society. Which bank received a license from Reserve Bank of India in July 2018 to launch operations in India? Bank of China. What is the minimum tenure for fixed deposit can be accepted by any bank? It is 7 days. If you open a deposit for 7 days, you will get interest. In which year NRE scheme was introduced? 1970. What is the minimum maturity period for NRE deposit? It is 1 year. With effect from April 29, 2003, the minimum maturity period for NRE deposit has been raised from 6 months to 1 year. What is the full form of AGID? Army Group Insurance Directorate. These groups will get extra interest rate on the deposit. The percentage will be 1.28% more than the normal interest rate. What is the full form of VVV? Vikas Voluntary Vahini. What is the maximum limit of SLR, statutory liquidity ratio? It is 40%. The final accounts of banking companies are to be prepared as per the provisions of Banking Companies Act 1947. Final accounts which are to be maintained by banking companies are given in the Banking Companies Act 1949. What is meant by form number 60? An individual does not have a PAN. The individual wants to do a financial transaction without PAN, then he has to submit form number 60. What is the BS BDA maximum account balance? It is 50,000. When loss of stock takes place due to theft or fire, this is called abnormal loss. Abnormal loss refers to the situation when a company experiences a loss that exceeds the normal loss. This is called abnormal loss. Purchase of machinery comes under which expenditure? It is called capital expenditure because you are buying a fixed asset. Which accounting standard deal with the inventory valuation? AS2. Thank you friends. If you like my video, please subscribe and share with your friends. If you have any queries, please call me or send me a mail.